Good morning, folks. This is Bradley. Just want to let you know I think it's almost time for Continental Ohio to do their sirens because it's almost noon. I think they should be going off any second. I'm 2.5 miles east of Continental, and I think it's right now noon. I think their sirens should be going off in any second. Don't hear him yet. It is a nice day. Current time is now noon. It's Saturday, August 14th, 2021. Oh, there they go. That was a quick siren test. Well, folks, I think that was a pretty quick siren test. I know, right? That's interesting. Well, folks, I'll see if I can get more siren tests in a little bit, okay? I'll still spot more trains here on the railroad in just a little bit, okay? All right. Stay tuned for more videos on more trains or in sirens or any weather that I spot. All right. You all have a good day. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye.